else is in the house? Welcome, Gail. Welcome back. Who else is here? Rahul Gotti from India. The act of meditation is being spacious. Spacious. Much spacious. Exactly. You are awesome. Thank you so much for coming. Arlene says, would like to understand more about the body graph and not self-mind. Yeah, if you'd like, you can book a session. I can explain everything about the body graph. But the not self-mind is basically when you operate from, let's say you're a projector, but you're living as a generator. That means you are in your not self-mind. And when you let's say you get a reading from somebody like me, or when you get into human design more deep, you start to shed old conditioning. For example, you are a projector like me, and we were taught to live like generators. And once you realize in what ways were you a generator, trying to be a generator, then you see that was your not self. So that's basically what the not self means. And then also based on your chart, if you have certain centers white, they are open, and in these open centers you are actually a sponge for energy. But if you live your life as if you are a transmitter instead of a sponge, then you are not self. You have 5 open white areas. All right, I have 7. These white areas are places where you absorb information and energy from the outside world. So it's either mental energy, willpower, direction, fear, emotions, sexual energy, and adrenaline energy. So thoughts, opinions, doubt, questions. It can be throat energy. Somebody can fuel you with the ability to express yourself better, or you fuel them with the ability to express yourself better. Or if you have an open throat, you have inconsistent way of speaking. So pitch goes up and down. I have an open throat. That's why I can do a lot of personas and do stuff with my voice. Like variability. Wherever you are open, you have the whole spectrum always going up and down. Whereas the places where you have definition, that's sort of locked in a certain frequency, and that frequency is your frequency. Whereas open centers, you are open to the entire frequency of all the things that are specific to that center, and then when other people are around you, you take in the frequencies of other people. Let's put on Johnny Cash.